speech To Be or Not to Be by William Shakespeare. To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles and by opposing end them. To die, to sleep, no more. And by a sleep to see we end the heartache and the thousand natural shocks that flesh is heir to. 'Tis a consummation devoted to be wished. To die, to sleep, perchance to dream, aye, there is a rub, for in that sleep of death what dreams may come, when we, shuffled off this mortal coil, must give us pause, there is respect that makes calamity of so long life.
A Red Rose by Robert Burns. Oh, my love is like the red rose that's newly sprung in June. Oh, my love is like the melody that's sweetly played in tune. As fair are you, my bonny lass, so deep in love am I, and I will love you still, my dear, till all the seas go dry. Till all the seas go dry, my dear, and the rocks melt with the sun. I will love you still, my dear, while the sands of life shall run.
Hunting Song by Sir Walter Scott. Waken, lords and ladies gay, on the mountain down the day. All the jolly chases here with hawk and horse and hunting spear. Hounds and their couples yelling, hawks are whistling, horns are knelling. Merrily, merrily mingle they. Waken, lords and ladies gay. Waken, lords and ladies gay. The mountain, waken, lords and ladies gay. The mist has left the mountain grey. Stringlands in the dawn are steaming, diamonds on the break are gleaming, and foresters have busy been to track the back and thicket green. And now we come to change our lane, waken, lords and ladies gay.